I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example Form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Search and select affiliate. Connect with the plugin. Plugin connected successfully. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Actions and conditional logic have advanced features. You can use them as per your requirements. You can add referral status and referral type under the action section. To complete this integration, you must log in to your WordPress account. Next. Finish and save it. Please fill in the necessary information on your form using the variable data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to your affiliate dashboard. Then navigate to the referrals. You can confirm that the data has been received successfully in the referrals section. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Thanks for watching.